Hey guys, it's Anna, your International Student Ambassador from Trinidad and Tobago. Here with me today is Sandra Grosso. She is the Brock International Services Associate Director, and she's going to tell us about Brock's personalized international student support. Thank you for joining us today, Sandra.
Oh, my pleasure. Thanks for coming.
So how can I learn more about events for international students?
Yeah, definitely. So our Office of International Services has many events throughout the year, starting with a great student orientation that we do 3 times a year in September, January, and May. And then we plan weekly social activities to really engage the Brock student community. Ahima is our International Student Engagement Coordinator, so he does a great job in ensuring that we have lots of activities throughout the year. He was an international student himself, originally from Nigeria, and came to study high school and university in Canada, so he really knows how to integrate the student body at Brock.
So how can students increase their global awareness?
That's a great question, Anna. Students can participate in our international learning programs. If you're an international student and you want to learn more about Canadian style of teaching and learning, or you're a domestic student and you want to increase your cultural or global awareness, you can participate in any of our programming. Jesse is our Manager of International Learning Programs. He studied at Brock and is originally from Mexico. He's had various roles at the university, so he's well versed in knowing what students want and the programming to really integrate our Canadian and international students.
So I heard Brock International is also in charge of international mobility. How can I learn more about exchange and study abroad opportunities?
We are. Jen and Dan in our office are our mobility advisors, and they reach out to Brock students through Culture Fest and mobility fairs by offering presentations to students so they know that we have many partners around the world that offer short-term exchanges or an academic year as well. So students can go for 1 week, a semester, or up to a year.
So what can I do if I need help in my courses?
We offer academic and language support workshops for all international students at the undergraduate and graduate level. So we encourage students to come speak to our academic language specialists for a one-on-one consultation, or they can attend any of our workshops that we offer throughout the academic year to get that extra support that they may need.
What do I do if I need help with my study permit?
I encourage you to come speak to Renee. Renee is our International Student Advisor, and she's RICIA certified. So she can assist you with your study permit and ensure that your passport and all those important documents are taken care of. Renee also assists international students with UHIP, our health insurance plan for international students. She also offers one-on-one advising for students who need some socio-cultural adjusting to Canada. And she also works with various departments on campus to lead workshops for our international students.
So I was chatting with one of my professors last week, and he said that he was visiting from another university.
Yes, and that's organized through our Global Scholars Office. We invite various academics throughout the year to come work alongside our professors here at the university, and Tegan oversees the welcome for those professors that come to Brock. They might be here for 4 months or a year, and they work alongside Brock professors conducting research or perhaps working on joint programs together. Tegan is a recent Brock graduate. While she studied at Brock, she did go to France for a summer abroad, and she's had various roles here at the university in student services. We're very grateful to have Tegan as our newest addition in the Brock International Services team.
Thank you, Sandra, so much for joining us today. That was really helpful. And for those of you watching, feel free to message us on our social media platforms if you have any more questions, or email us at intlstudents@brocku.ca. Thanks so much for watching.